Hello, my name is Josue Hilaño and I'm going to prepare a vanilla cake. The ingredients that we will need there are 3 cups of flour, a pinch of salt, a half cup of sugar, a half cup of milk, 4 eggs, 113 grams of butter, a spoon of pure vanilla essence, and a spoon of baking powder. Now the preparation. We have to put the sugar, with the salt, and the butter. And we have to mix that for 2 minutes. Then we have to put the eggs. After that, we have to put the flour and the milk. The milk, and the vanilla essence. We have to mix that for 2 minutes. Then I have to put the baking powder. And to finish, I have to put the rest of flour. I have to put a milk. And we have to mix that for 5 minutes. The mix is already finished. I have to put the mix into the pre-buttered and pre-flooded mold. 3/4 of the mold. The mix is into the mold. I have to put in an oven of 180 degrees Celsius. The mold is into the oven for 43 minutes to 55 minutes. After the 50 minutes, we can remove the cake from the oven. And this is how our delicious vanilla cake turned out. Thank you for your attention.